What's up guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial here on Design with Muneeb. I'm Muneeb, and in this video we will take a look at basic navigation in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting any time, let's move into the video. If this is the first time you're watching my video, I upload 4 times in a week about graphic design, software installation, advice and suggestions, etc. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and open up Adobe Illustrator. And you can see here I have laid out pretty basic shapes. Now in order to select objects, there are 2 tools, mainly the selection tool and the direct selection tool. There is a lesser known and lesser used tool known as the group selection tool. We will take a look at this at a later time. So unlike Photoshop, if you are familiar with it, Adobe Illustrator is not a layer-based program. Instead, it is an object-oriented vector program. So what it means? Basically, in this scene, I have a text and 2 layers. Now, if I go ahead and open up Layers panel, I can see every object has its own layer. So this means that Adobe Illustrator is an object-oriented vector program. So what the selection tool does and what the direct selection tool does. Basically, an object is made up of different anchor points. You can see here, an anchor point is present there. Now, a selection tool selects the whole object. You can see I'm selecting the whole object. But a direct selection tool selects individual anchor points. So you can see I can manipulate them individually. Now let's move into the zoom in and out and taking a look at how to control the look. If you go ahead here, it's the zooming in. Basically, I don't use this a lot, but it can be helpful for you. I just normally use fit on screen and it will perfectly align the canvas with your screen. So, the zoom features and the panning features are very much like Adobe Photoshop. You can just use the zoom tool and click to zoom in, or alt-click to zoom out. You can just create a marquee and it will fit into that area of content. Now alternatively, if you want to pan, you cannot use the scroll wheel to pan around. Instead, you'll have to use hand tool. You can press on your keyboard Z to access the zoom tool, and you can press H on your keyboard to access the hand tool. So I hope you get the purpose of this tutorial. This tutorial is part of a logo design series in Adobe Illustrator I'm doing on my channel. If this is the first video tutorial you've watched of series, make sure to subscribe in order to get notification every time I upload a new video. There's a link to the playlist down in the description, so make sure to check that out. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.